Hi guys, this is Isa from PrintStick and Happy New Year! Today I will give you a quick flip through of all of the pages that I used in my digital planner in 2018. So this is the undated pastel planner and the color combination is purple and teal, but you get different covers. I will show you how I use them throughout the planner. And I actually started using this planner in September, so I will start by showing you that month. I'm gonna jump right at September, and I just want to mention I made a cover page for every month. This is the first one I made. It doesn't say September, but I made it in September. So as I swipe, you will see that I have a different cover for each month. I just wanted to mention that so that you know that I actually made different copies and added this page in front of each month of the planner. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip through it and put some background music so you can get some inspiration and see what my planner looked like. So that was it. That was all of the pages that I used in this planner. That was from September to December, and I did start using it for January too. This is the cover that I showed you already. This is my monthly spread for January. For this month, I have trips and stuff. Every new appointment or important thing that I have, I just come and put it right in my monthly view because it's so easy to just have a quick look at everything that you have that's important that's going on in this particular month. Okay, I also added my widget calendar here. I just cut off the notebook part, which you can also do, and then you have a glance of February as well. And this week I have gone as I go, so ideally I would come and prepare my week, set up all my stickers, and then just fill in with my pen as the days go by. But for this week I just started with my New Year's spread that I really liked, and the rest of the week I'm kind of like letting it go as the week comes. And yeah, well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in a comment which is your favorite spreads, or if you have any questions of something that you saw in my planner that you would like me to teach you how to do, please just leave me a comment and I will try to make that tutorial as quick as I can. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!